Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nishan. Today we are going to be recreating Billie Eilish's Met Gala look. So the Met Gala happened on Monday and there were so many amazing outfits and looks, but I loved this eye makeup that Billie Eilish did, so I wanted to recreate it today. She definitely didn't invent this look by any means. This idea of the smoked out under eye was really popular on TikTok a couple months ago. I feel like it was really trendy and I never got around to trying it. So seeing her do it last night completely reminded me of it. So I wanted to try and do it on myself today. But yeah, I'm scared. I don't know what getting myself into it. I also am filming on my phone. So like I just have like the photo in my head for reference. So yeah, it's gonna be a little difficult. But I believe she didn't have really any eyeshadow on. So I'm just gonna go and put like a neutral, maybe like this one or this one, like very color skin toned on my eyelid. I'll put some concealer on first to just kind of give it a base. What did you guys think of the Met Gala? I was super sad Lady Gaga wasn't there. I heard she was gonna be there, so I was really excited to see her, and she just never came, so I was pretty disappointed. But I don't know. I don't think those lists that went around are official of, oh, this person's going, because how would they know? Like, I'm sure they're not releasing that. I don't know. Okay, so now let's put this neutral tone all over the lid. I'm just gonna dip into this one and this one, to both of them, and just brush it basically over my whole eye. Because like I said, as far as eyeshadow, she really does not have much going on, so I'm just gonna try and replicate that. Obviously I don't have her like piercing blue eyes, which I feel like makes the look a lot. It's like that picture of Miley Cyrus where she's like staring at you, they're staring into your soul with her blue eyes. So the look might not be as popping on me as it is on her, but I just love the whole smoky just on the bottom look, because for me a lot of my eyeshadow looks are very heavy on top, and a lot of times I won't even put anything on the bottom. So the idea of having a completely smoked out bottom with a very simple base just looks so gorgeous. Okay, I also want to say that she had a shimmer on top, but now I'm forgetting if she actually did or not. But is it worth stop filming to check? I'm gonna go no. If there is a shimmer, I could add it after. Okay, so we have that done, and what do we do now? Okay, so oh my gosh, my hair is like really bad right now. I just washed it. Anyways, so I'm gonna go in with the pencil liner, I guess. So she has it going all under the waterline and then outwards. But the thing that's different about hers compared to the TikTok one is she carries the wing through the top as well. And I believe on TikTok, they were just smoking out the bottom only. Yeah, okay, I'm scared. Okay, so let's just try waterlining first, do the easy part. So just gonna pull the waterline down slightly and fill that in. Okay, step one. Okay, let's do the same on this side. So that's what we have so far. We just did the waterline, and let me check the reference photo. Okay, so I just checked the reference photo. She does have a little glitter up top, so I will add that. And she also does carry the eyeliner to the inside, to the inner corner. And so let's do that as well. Like that. And okay, we're gonna try and do the wing right now. So I want to try and drag this down and then outward. Okay, honestly, it's not that bad. Okay, let's try on this side. So I'm trying to bring it so it kind of just goes straight outward. Okay, on camera, it's like looks like a joke, but I swear In person, this is workable. Especially since I'm doing this with pencil, like, this is workable for sure. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of do that with my nail and kind of just clean it up and make it a little straighter, kind of expand it a bit as well. This side, I don't know. Okay, this side's kind of coming together, so I'm gonna skip to this side. So she has it on the top as well, so I'm going to drag that same line up and over. I'm gonna try and fix this one. Her wing is actually really small, which is surprising. So I have to make mine a little bigger, I think. Okay. Okay, this side is really coming together. Okay, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I was losing faith, but I think we're coming together here. Okay, so I'm going to go and do it on the inside because she literally has it around her whole entire eye. So now we're gonna go ahead and, should I tightline? Yeah, I think it's just tightlined. So let's just tightline the inside. Okay. Okay, this looks okay, decent, I guess. Now typically what I would do is get a black eyeshadow and kind of smoke it out, but as I said earlier, I don't have a black eyeshadow, but I do have some dark brown, so that's what we're gonna use. This looks it looks great. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this dark brown one right here. I'm gonna take this little teeny tiny brush and we're gonna use this to smoke it out. So I'm basically just taking the bottom of the eyeliner and just kind of going like this, like kind of blending it out a bit. Okay. And then same on this side, we're just gonna kind of grab where that eyeliner ends and then smudge it out and blend it. I just had a memory, tell me if you remember this, there was back when smoky eyes were really popular and people were wearing them all the time, there was this product where it was on one side, so kind of like this, how we have one side with the pencil, and then the other side, it came with this little sponge basically that you would use to specifically blend out your smoky eye. That thing was iconic. If I have a picture, I'll attach it, and let me know if you guys remember that, because I remember being obsessed with that because everyone was wearing smoky eyes in like freshman year, or maybe it was just me, I don't know. Hopefully you guys know what I'm talking about. Okay, I don't think she really smokes out the top, but I'm going to do it just to add a little bit more drama. Okay, I feel like that's basically what the eye makeup was. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and then we'll come back because maybe it just looks crazy because I have no makeup on at all. So we're gonna do that real quick and then I will be back. Okay, we're back. I did kind of like some base makeup. I was about to do the lip, but I thought I'd record it. So she has kind of a darker lip, which I don't have. My go-to lip combo is a brown lip liner and clear gloss, and I don't really have much else. So I managed to find a couple of things. I have this lip liner that's kind of like a dark, kind of berryish brown, because hers is kind of rust. I don't know how to explain the color she has, but I feel like this one's actually pretty similar. This is from the House Laboratories, Lady Gaga's brand. All of a sudden, I'm like talking about Lady Gaga 24/7 in this video. So I'm just gonna try this one. And we'll see if this one's, I feel like this is too pinky compared to what she has on. I'm gonna line my lips, don't mind that, I just always do, I have to. I guess this is kind of close, honestly. It's not the worst. I'm gonna color my whole lip with this just to make it the pigment of my lips. Okay, honestly, this is kind of close, actually. Hers is more not so reddish tone though. I was gonna use this, but this might just make my lips red, so I don't know. It's kind of I don't know, it's like a lip oil, but it has like a tint to it. I feel like it'll make it too red. She doesn't have any sort of gloss on her lips, but I'm gonna add a little bit of this just for some more of the color. Just a little bit. Okay. Sure. Okay, also I noticed she actually has way more shimmer on her lid than I noticed. She almost looks like she has kind of that wet look that people were doing. So we have a couple options for that. So I have this from Rem Beauty. It's kind of like a glitter pigment, so I could either put this on my lid or try to do the wet eyeshadow look and just put like some clear gloss on my lid to give it that shiny appearance. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do regarding that yet, but I wanted to kind of clean up the, well, not even clean up, but kind of redo the eye, because I feel like some of the powder did cover it a little bit. So now I'm gonna go in with the liner. Now that we have kind of the outline of what we want, I'm just gonna go over it to just intensify it and make it darker. So we can go in with this. Okay, so I'm basically gonna, again, just like kind of trace everything I have. And just make it darker. Okay. So yeah, just to kind of intensify it, and then we still have the smoked out part from the eyeshadow. I might smoke this part out a little bit more because I think this side is looking a little too clean cut. So yeah, I'm probably gonna go back in and redo the eyeshadow on that side. I feel like this side is smudged really good. The other side, not as much. Yeah. Okay. Next, I'm going to just do mascara on the bottom lash line. Okay, so put the mascara on. And now we're going to fix our kind of, or should I put the glitter on after? I'm worried the pigment is not going to look similar to what she has. I'll swatch it real quick. It's hard for me to get with my nails. But so this is kind of what it looks like. So it just really adds glitter. If you can see that line there, it kind of just adds glitter to the eye. And I feel like this is pretty close to what she has, so maybe I should just stick with this. Oh wait, actually I have this one. Is this the exact same? No, okay, so this is also from Rem Beauty though. And this is just a liquid eyeshadow, but this one also looks shimmery. So maybe we could just use this one. Oh yeah, this will be easier to apply too. Okay, yeah, so we will use this. And I'm gonna put this, she has it on just the base of her eyelid. So I will do that as well. Very honestly minimal. I'm not trying to go too ham with this. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to blend this out either, so that's why I'm also not putting a ton. That was a lot. Okay, clearly this side is getting a ton of it, so let's blend this out as best we can. The thing is, it has to be blended out with the finger for the best results, I feel, but my nails are just really getting in the way. I have to put more on this side now because that other side got hella. So we'll just add a little bit more there. Okay, this is definitely much closer to what she has because she did have a little shimmer on the eye. We'll put a little bit more here and more here. Okay. Cute, we love. Okay, I would say this is pretty close to what she has now, especially before I had lashes. Once I had lashes, it's going to be a very different look. So let me just add some regular mascara. Okay, so this is how it is with just mascara. Okay, I'm just going to do one last look. before I add the lashes on. I am obsessed with the heavy under eye look. I really like it. This lip combo is also growing on me. Like I said, I'm not used to seeing my lips in anything other than clear gloss, but I actually really like this little touch of color. Okay, I think my eyelashes are about ready, so we can put those on now. And there are the lashes. Honestly, does it add to the look? Yes. Does it completely change the look? Yes. And do I love it? Yes, because I love long dramatic eyelashes. I'm gonna put more mascara at the bottom. But yeah, I really like the dark under eye. I think it's really cute. I'm just gonna redo these. I usually put on, honestly, a hella coats on my bottom eye. I don't even know. Like, I'll put on 2 coats and then let it sit and dry and then put on a bunch of coats on top. Do I still look like Billie Eilish? I mean, did I ever? No. But this definitely, it does not look like her makeup now with the eyelashes, but I personally really love with the eyelashes. A nice, like, smoky, seductive little dark under eye look. I'm absolutely in love with it. I'm gonna be wearing this the rest of the night. Super cute. Okay, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the Met Gala, enjoyed all the looks, and I hope you enjoyed following me on this journey, doing something a little different with my makeup. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!